Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to convert our data into table in Excel. In this case, I have taken an example wherein rather than typing, I want to extract this data into Excel. You can even have a complicated table, but in this case, I have just taken a simple table. So in order to do that, all you have to do is that download the Office app from the Play Store. You can even do it easily through your mobile phone. This is how the Office app will look like. Just type Office and you will get the app. Once the app gets downloaded, just click on that open button. Once you click on open, this is how the home screen of the app looks like. So just click on the action button towards the right hand side and then click on this image to table option. Once you click on this image to table option, you can either take a picture of it or otherwise you can open it from your gallery itself. So in this case, I have it in my gallery, so I'll select the picture from my gallery. So once you select the picture, it will ask you to crop it. So make sure you crop it exactly with the lines and all, so that it is easier for this particular app to capture the data. So once you select that, automatically this data will be converted into table. Now, one disadvantage of using is that certain things like symbols will not get recognized. You can see that the minimum rent at the top, I'll just zoom it. We have rupee symbol, but in this case rupee symbol is not there. So once you click on that, you can see there are three options which you can copy, edit or ignore. So if in case you want to edit this, you can edit and make changes, or otherwise you can just click ignore. You can see exactly the data has been extracted. In this 2012 and 13, the line has not been properly aligned because you can see that the image as well, the line is not there. So that is the reason it has there. Nevertheless, you can make changes in Excel. So once you're okay with this data, just click on this open option. So I'll just click on this open anyway. Once you click on that open option, the data will automatically gets converted into Excel. You can see the Excel data exactly we have got it. If in case you want, you can just change the or resize the column. 2012 and 13 as the top, you can bring it down. So if in case you want to apply border, just select the range of data, and you can see there are a lot more options available. You can edit, color, whatever formatting is required, you can make it easily. And that concludes this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon for further updates.